LumaFusion 3.1 is here. Is this a game changer update? Let's find out in this video, should we? Let's go. First thing up, know where you have the latest version or not. So go to your settings right here. Go down below right here. It should say the version number. Okay, so right now I have version number 3.1. So if you don't have the latest one, go to the Apple Store and install it. Let's go to the Apple Store, the App Store. In LumaFusion 3.1, okay, these are all the updates, okay? So 3.1 right here, LumaFusion, search for it, okay? Now, go to more, so it tells you all the updates in this version. But I'll go into LumaFusion later on in this video to show you what is new. So video scope, that's number one thing, right? In the color and effects, multiple use of lot. Okay, so there's a few minor fixes as well, but the main thing is the video scope, histogram, and waveform. Okay, that's the three main updates that we are. Some people are excited, some people are not. But me personally, I'm not excited. It's not a major update for me personally, but some people could be a game changer for them. Now let's go to LumaFusion and we show what is available, what is new. Now this is LumaFusion. I'm in LumaFusion right now, so I have a clip running. Okay, that's me in focus, perfect. Okay, now to go to you're gonna make a selection. Make sure you insert it in first, okay, before you can go to any the settings what you're looking for. Okay, double tap on it, triple tap you detach the audio. No good there. Double tap it, go to the frame. Okay, this is where we do our editing. Okay, now go to the color and effects. This is what is new. This is what is available right now in 3.1. There's a few minor updates to all the settings, all the navigation, just a color change now and then, but that is minor. But this is the major updates that they introduced into 3.1 of LumaFusion. The first one is the video scopes. Okay, now this is good for color grading, color correction. The waveform right here in the middle right here. Okay, the waveform. Okay, you can select. I'll go into more detail with all these settings later on in another video, but in this video, I'll share with you what is available, what is new. The waveform is perfect when you want to get the right exposure. So for example, if I reckon that I shot this video is a bit too dark, I can lighten it up a little bit. Okay, so tap on the original to bring this up, this thing here. Usually I adjust the highlight and shadow first. So the highlight might pull it back a little bit and slowly look back. Okay, so right now the mechanism in LumaFusion when it comes to color grading is not great. The engine behind the color correction in LumaFusion is not that great compared to other video editing app. Okay, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Apple Final Cut Pro. Those kind of programs that I'm talking about. LumaFusion with these settings right here is not there yet. It can get you by, okay? It can get you by, but to get where all the professional goes, it's not there yet, okay? So I am a color snob, okay? The reason why I haven't shared with you guys any video about color correction is because I don't like, okay? I don't like this kind of settings, okay? I'm used to Adobe Lightroom, Photoshop Lightroom. So all these settings are not great for me, okay? I understand it, okay? But I don't play with it, okay? So I reckon it's not there yet. What's the point of wasting my time doing it, okay? So that's the reason why I haven't played with it. Doesn't mean that I don't know how to grade, okay? I'm a color snob, come on guys. But aside from that, let's move on. Okay, so you can, if you, for example, you move the shadow right here, see all the settings move along with it, okay? So the histogram, the video scopes, the waveform, and the histogram all move along with it, okay? You play with the shadow, open up the shadow a little bit, okay? Or close down the shadow, okay? Up to you, okay? The highlights, similar process, okay? You'll see the waveform move, okay? Look back after look back, okay? Okay, so this I'll do a full in-depth video about how to use all this. The histogram, I don't use it at all when it comes to video. The first two right here are more powerful when it comes to video editing. That's it. That is the major update so far. Okay. There's a few minor updates to LumaFusion. For example, they changed they have this one in here. Okay. The cropping part. So right now I'm gonna crop and flip. I can reverse scoop it down like that. Okay. Rotate it 160, 180. Before you couldn't do it, okay? But now you could, okay? You can mirror it. You can flip it around, perfect, okay? Before this 3.1 version, it doesn't have those two, okay? Right here, flip it around, and okay? Minor changes right there. Okay, the rest stay the same, nothing new right there. The other change is in the transition. Okay, the color has been changed. Let me open up a little bit for you. Okay, they changed the color a little bit. Okay, so right now instead of orange, they changed it to purple. Okay, and light purple. Minor tweaked it to this version, but as I said, I will go in depth into what are the major changes in 3.1. This video is just a quick update of what is available. Minor changes right there, cosmetic changes. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Travis Chow, I'm a time-lapse nut. Now, if you know anything about video editing, it takes a long time to do one video, okay, edit. So please consider subscribing to my channel. It's encouraged me to make this kind of video for you guys. Okay, I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.